So we've, we are at the end of day 2 of our Microsoft Excel masterclass, and we did it with Alfred Mutugi here. Maybe you can introduce yourself.
My name is Alfred Mutugi. I'm a statistician.
So we really covered quite a number of things. For these 2 days, we covered Microsoft Excel functions, advanced functions. We did visualization and dashboards. We covered macros and FBA, and really building reports, automating reports right from Excel. We also dwelt on a number of add-ins, including Power Query and Power Pivot. So it's been really a nice 2 days at OCL Learning. Thanks for coming, and it's now emerging that organizations are adopting Excel more and more, automating reports, adopting business intelligence softwares. And most of the time, it's about if you can automate and spend more time, spend more time in making decisions from your data than spending more time developing reports every month. So the thing is, build once, then automate. We're also looking at adoption of Power BI by most organizations here in Nairobi. Next, we have classes in Nairobi, and these classes are monthly classes. Perhaps the next class is in September. We have 2 classes in September. You can always drop us an email, info@ocl.co.ke, and it was really good 2 days of crunching data, analyzing, producing wow charts, wow reports, and everyone was really excited.